Lesson number 9. Soham's ball. Look, listen and read aloud with me. Soham and Sam are playing football. Sam kicks the ball. It goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Sam asks for the ball. Excuse me, may I have the ball please? Sure, here it is. After some time, again the ball goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Now, Soham asks for the ball. Give me the ball. No, I won't, said Mr. Mane. Why does Mr. Mane say no? How is Soham feeling? How is Mr. Mane feeling? Soham tries again. Uncle, may I have the ball please? How does Mr. Mane feel now? Thank you, said Soham. Magic word. Can you give me a pencil? Sure, here it is. Thank you. Welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. It's okay. Lesson number 9.